Hello, this is your professor, Jeff Downs, and I wanted to give you a little tour of our Math 122 page. And so, hope you like a little banner. I had AI, I think ChatGPT did this one for me. And you'd be surprised because originally it said something like 1 equals 2 equals 3 equals 4. I had to say, no, do the math symbols correctly. So that's there. I have a little introduction about this class here. And then there's a little thing about me. This is the Canvas tour. Course objectives here. Where to find content and assignments. Syllabus review here. Pearson, MyLab, help and information, office hour information, assessment, response time, and so on. Over here on the left side, we have announcements, assignments, discussions, accessing Pearson. So this can be like one of the big ones is accessing Pearson. So you go in here and eventually it loads up. And I want to open Pearson. And then the MyLab and mastering. So I don't know if this is what I see as an instructor. You might see something different as a student. Okay. And then you'd have your assignments in here. And so you just see we have the assignments all laid out for the semester. Let's see if we look at all of our assignments there. Okay, I had to go into my screen because they're not open until tomorrow. But here are the assignments for the semester. We have our Chapter 2 material, then we do some Chapter 5 material. Then we have our exam over 2 and 5. Then we have Chapter 6, 6.2 only. Then Chapter 8 material, then we have our exam 2. Then we have some Chapter 9 material on exam 3. Then Chapter 12 material, and then exam 4. So that's basically what we're going to be covering in this class. You get back over here to our regular page. I don't want to click on these things because it's going to put people's names and stuff up. But so assignments here, I believe that will take you over to that if this is updated. Yeah, there we go. So everything's here as well. And it links over. So you will need some kind of an access code. You can get the 2-week free access code through Pearson, where you can buy it right away. And I wanted to say that we're using basically the same book for both this Math 122 and 123. We cover different parts of that book for the different classes. And you can use the same access code if you're taking it in the same semester. So you can carry it through to the next part of the semester you transfer it over. And so that's basically what you're going to see. Is you have the homework assignments here, then you have your chapter quizzes down here. Okay. And then within Pearson, you're going to see a lot of the lessons and all that other information. So that's just a brief little tour of our page. Like there are grades there. Accessing Pearson, assignments, announcements, and so on. So I'm looking forward to this class. I've enjoyed teaching this before and enjoy continuing this process. So please let me know if you have questions and take a look at the syllabus.